Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking a break from my normal type of content and talking about something I never thought I would, but I have to now because it is beyond bothering me. If you see the title of this video, you already know. Hi, by the way, I'm Shannon, if you guys don't know me. I normally stay pretty quiet. I don't talk about controversies or anything like that. However, this is starting to really annoy me within the beauty community. That is so toxic. It is literally driving me insane how toxic it is and how the rules are so different for so many people. I'm not going to name any names in this because I keep seeing other people, especially smaller creators, getting completely it just really turning on them. So I'm not going to say any specific names of any influencers. You can fill in the blanks of whoever you think I'm talking about. However, I don't understand how it's so biased on who gets in trouble, who gets canceled, who doesn't, and like this is okay, but this isn't. Like, I just don't understand how some people can do always such awful things and constantly there's an excuse for it. It's literally starting to drive me nuts. And I'm not saying the whole beauty community. There's tons of creators on here that are honestly awesome. They're not doing anything problematic. And I feel like because these people are always being so problematic, it kind of overshines the people who are generally trying to, like, oh, here, I like this, and just, it's just like their little fun little side thing that they're just having fun with and wanting to talk about. And I feel like this always is going over everything. Honestly, it's kind of the reason why I stepped back too, is because I was like, and I don't really want to do like the makeup stuff and all that if this might be the energy of it. It's not really my type thing, but I just don't understand how some people can do literally some stuff that's literally so awful, and it's just like, here's a million excuses for why it's okay. What? It drives me nuts. It literally drives me absolutely insane. And then how they try to justify for these people make me more upset, because it's like, how? And I generally try not to get bothered by these things or anything like that, because I missed the whole thing last year. I took like a whole break off of YouTube and I wasn't really watching anything, and then I started to get some comments on my videos being like, oh, like, you didn't see like all this happening. So a few weeks ago I was watching all the stuff that happened within like the past year, and what? And now recently all this more stuff that's coming out, and then I feel like none of these people end up ever actually getting in trouble. Somehow they end up walking away with more brand deals and more money and more popularity. And like, it doesn't make sense to me, because if you were just any other person, no, that would not be okay. And it's very strange to me, like, who's allowed to do what and what the rules are. And I just don't understand. And like, it just blows my mind. I'm so confused on so many things. And again, I'm not going to say what. You guys can fill in the blanks of, whichever ones you want. Honestly, there's so many right now. I'm pretty much talking about all of it under an umbrella term. Because these people are ridiculous. They get to do awful things. They're awful a lot of times to their, subscribers. And I just don't understand how those same people, like, they would not stand up for you. They don't care like that. They see you as dollar signs. They don't care like that. And like, these people will like put their all into like defending these people, and I don't know why. Normally, like I said, I try to stay on my like little, I do some makeup, some hair stuff. I stay more in the spirituality type stuff now, but it's just something that's been bugging me. It kind of like weirds me out, the views on this and how some of this is okay and then not okay, and the constant excuses is just so much that I just don't understand it. It doesn't make any sense to me. Make it make sense to me. I watched that whole, what's it, the Dramageddon thing too recently. God, I didn't know any of that happened. I've been living underneath the rock. I know. I still have to catch up with more, but I was just like, what? Why is there always so much nonsense going on? Why can't anybody just chill? It's supposed to be about makeup. But makeup, fun things. That's all it's supposed to be. I feel like it's always so much going on that it's like, I don't know. So I kind of like stopped really watching, like everybody. I mean, I was never any of the people that are in like a scandal at all right now. Any of them, or have been in a scandal for like the past 2 years. I never got into any of those people or watched any of those people or anything like that. Well, That's my neighbor, sorry. So, I don't know. So I don't really keep up with any of them, but damn, like, why so much? Some people might like this, some people may not. I can get more into this if you guys want to. It's just something that's like really bugged me where I just don't understand the thought process of a lot of it. But yeah, I don't know. Random thoughts. Sorry, I know it's different than when I normally post and talk about my channel, but it was just kind of like been bugging me now for a few weeks, and especially the more and more stuff I keep seeing now, I'm just like, I don't understand. I don't know. This is random, but you guys have any thoughts down below? Let me know if you guys want me to talk about anything. Thanks so much for watching, and bye!